Hello guys, today I'm gonna give you guys 6 free cinematic LUTs. All these LUTs are, created by myself and you guys can use them for free. And for those who don't know how to use them, I'm gonna show you guys how to use these LUTs. Okay, before the start of this tutorial, please remember to subscribe and like this video. I will be giving you guys a lot of free stuff in the future, so please remember to subscribe and turn the notification bell on. So basically, after you drag all the videos onto your timeline, you can just go to the effects tab and type LUTs. Make sure you select all videos and audio effects so this thing custom LUT can appear, and basically you just drag this and drop on any of your videos. First, you can do a basic color grading, but that's not the main focus of today's video, so I'm just gonna use a very simple balance color. Yep, that's the balance result. Usually it will be much better looking, but sometimes if you don't really like, you can just untick this box over here. After that, go click on this LUT and select choose custom LUT. And after you've already downloaded and unzipped the LUT file, you can just click and select this LC LUT and click open. That's all you need to do, and come back to the LUT column selection over here and just choose LC LUT. For example, I just select autumn and you see this color is way off. Don't worry, the easiest thing would be just to change the mix. So usually I suggest you guys to not boost the mix all the way to the maximum, because this is for some videos that is really blunt and there's not much color in it, so you can actually boost it to a higher value. If not, you can just maintain the mix to be around 50%. And if you want, you can choose other LUTs like this blues LUT. Please remember again, do not boost the value all the way to maximum. You can just keep it at 50%. And you can choose, say, pink. Yep, it's kind of cool. And sometimes you can actually change the input and output to Rec 2020. It doesn't really change much, but sometimes it just feel better for me. I don't know, I just feel it looks a little bit better, but it doesn't really change much. And for indoor effects, it's the same. So I'm gonna drag the colored LUT over here, the next video, and then select the LUT, LC LUT. Just now from the intro video, you can see it's autumn. And as usual, when the mix is all the way at maximum, it's not going to look well. So just to bring down to around 45 or 50%, even lower sometimes. But as you can see, it instantly brings the orange color out. Yep, it looks much better now. And you can actually change maybe to blues, to pink. You don't really want to have pink. And maybe spring. Spring doesn't really look much different. Summer, yep, it depends actually. So for me, I really like the autumn one, this like very whiskey kind of look. Sometimes you want to show some photos on your video, you can just drag your photos onto the timeline similar to the videos, maybe enlarge it a little bit and change the settings around. And as usual, just drag the custom LUT over here and you can apply, say, autumn. Instantly, as you can see, it changed the whole tone to the autumn kind of a feel, and you can bring the mix down, maybe change the Rec 2020 similarly. It's always good to play around. And for the photos, this works best with iPhone actually. So this photo is taken by iPhone, so maybe you use iPhone and you want to play around with the settings. Yep, off you go. There's a lot of very cool settings you can change, and yep, this brings out a very good photo effect. And yep, that's about it, and hope you guys really enjoy the video. And if you have any problem, just drop me a text on the comment section and I'll reply when I'm free. If you really like this video, please remember to subscribe to my channel. I'll be giving you guys a lot of free stuff in the future, and yep, just stay tuned and bye bye.